But please, we want to ask that you help us check the mighty crowd outside so that they can make their way into the arena right now. We need them in. Please help us check them and then they can come in. Let me recognize the presence of the distinguished
VP.
Yeah.
My people, we are getting better, we are going higher, eh? Today points to the future and the next level. We are better and moving forward. Everything go to the next level. Everything go decline to the next level. Good jobs will come to the next level. Our road will come to the next level. People money come to the next level. Trader money come to the next level. Tailor money come to the next level. Dresser money come to the next level. Higher, 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 higher. We are moving forward, 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 forward. We are going higher, 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 higher. Prosperity for everyone. We are going higher, 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 higher. We are moving forward, 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 forward. We are going higher, 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 higher. Prosperity.
Okay, while at this stage, we want to invite our national leader, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu. On your mandate, we shall stand. Thank you very much. We now welcome our leader. On your mandate, we shall stand. 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 On your mandate, Bola, on your mandate, on your mandate, we
This is a celebration of democracy. It's not about the campaign of Muhammadu Buhari and APC. Lagos is sure, very sure, voting APC. Are you voting APC or not? Let me see your hands up. It's a broom revolution. Broom. State chairman who had catalogued some 4 years ago when Buhari came here to campaign, he did not make those fluke, empty promises, but you will see the action. We had a progressive government in Lagos since 1999. We are the government who told that woman on the roadside, roasting corn, roasting barley, roasting ewa, that our children deserve cheap, simple education and need help in a qualitative manner. We did it. The first state ever to comprehensively pay WAEC and NECO fee in this country. I was the governor then. We said, the poor market women, they deserve the help necessary. We said the widows, they deserve the helping hand. I was the governor then. And then handed over what to one person then. When I was leaving the office, I asked him one question. That was Babatunde Rajiva Shola. If we elect you, what happened? He said, Eko ni baje. Today, Eko bajeti. Obasanjo. Obasanjo then, he came. We taught them that there's no other way to make business, evolution and revolution in this country without steady power supply. I introduced independent power generating system in Badagry. What did he do? He and Atiku opposed it. I went to court. Who was my lawyer in court? Oshibajo. I won in court. And we started generating 300 megawatts. The first state to do it. Imagine 1999. If Nigeria has made that dedication to electricity generation, you will not see Dunlop move out of this country. You will not see Michelin move out of this country. Look at our road. Look at the vehicular density of Nigeria, of Lagos alone. And Obi, let's call one man Obi somewhere. In one party. He was talking, we create a job. He will create some job. He has not been able to tell us how we can make brake pad for those vehicles. How we can make wheel spanner on our own for those vehicles. And he said, maybe we should go and extend the port in Benin Republic so that we can clear our cargo faster. I call that one container economic, or be China. The article. What is his name? He said he wants your vote. Will you vote for that man? Will you vote for Atiku? Abatiku Tewoni. Atiku go wa bi o jo. Kẹlẹgbẹ tàbí ọgbẹ òwe. Òwe wọn mọlẹ̀, wọ́n pa wọn o, àti yí wọn mọlẹ̀, ẹ̀rẹ̀ kẹlẹgbẹ tàbí ọgbẹ òwe. Let's now go to the classroom of election day. How many of you with your PVC? How many of you with your PVC? Okay. When you get there early in the morning. Take your brother. Take your sandwiches. If no be bread, take puff. Take akara. Take a boli. You go there. Today is the day I want to teach Papa deceiving Peking a lesson. Today I want to teach Atiku Ọmọ Aláìgbọrọ̀ a lesson. Give your PVC to them. If they say your fingerprint and not work, you say, let me rub them again. Rub them for your clothes. Try again. They say no work. Okay, na my own. Try again. No leaf. Correct that machine. It's your right. And that is your day. When they don't clear them, and they now ask you, with your ballot paper, they say, make you go vote. You know they say na 73 parties. Some of their daddy body, one don't collapse. SDP, the horse, collapse. Abi, that woman party go, it collapse. Another one go, it collapse. It just remain about 60 something. But to print 70 something ballots, you know the space will now become small. So don't use this thumb. Don't use. You hear what I say? We are in the classroom of voting. We know everything is going for APC. Use this finger. Index finger. Those of you who speak Yoruba, Ika labe, Ika labe, Ika tafila, Obe, Awepo, nah, God bless you.